Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Oke, ya lanjut.
Okay, you may continue, Madura.
Okay. So we are going to rotate the paper and then we are going to repeat on all the sides. So we are going to bring this edge to this point of intersection and then crease just this part at the center. Unfold,
Yeah.
rotate, and again repeat.
Ya, diulangi keempat sisinya sama. Oke. Is
Oh,
everybody okay until this step? Semuanya masih bisa ikuti ya sampai step ini ya.
Oke, aman ya.
Okay, you may continue, Madura.
okay. Now we are going to turn the paper over and now we are going to be concentrating on one of these triangles. Okay.
Mhm.
So we want to divide this into 8 sections. So first, we are going to fold it in half. So by bringing this point to this intersection of pieces.
Kita akan bagi menjadi 8 bagian mulai dari bawah, dilipat dari ujung yang paling bawah ke garis yang pertama.
So,
Okay?
so we have 2 sections here.
Ya,
Now we are going to divide each of them in half by bringing this here and then by bringing this point here. Make sure everything is aligned. And
pastikan
then
semuanya satu garis ya.
And then we are going to divide each of these 4 sections into half.
Ya, dari keempat garis yang sudah dibuat dilipat lagi setengah-setengahnya, jadi akan terbagi menjadi 8 bagian.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections here in this small triangle.
Dari segitiga yang ada di bawah itu terlihat sudah terbagi menjadi 8 garis, 8 bagian.
Now we are going to fold this triangle up. Just make sure it comes to the center, okay?
Lalu dilipat ke tengah dan pastikan segitiganya eh, ada di pertengahan garisnya.
Okay, so now I'll just mark out 2 points. So we have these sections, right? So from one point here and to this point, we are going to make a crease. Okay.
Oke.
So you can use your rulers and that scoring tool now to make the crease.
Oke. Pastikan titik poin yang ditunjukkan Madura itu kemudian menggunakan penggaris boleh dan scoring tools untuk menarik garis ke situ. Kita akan membuat lipatan.
So you can see we have scored this diagonal kind of crease.
Mhm.
And
Seperti yang
then,
terlihat ada diagonal crease ya, ada lipatan diagonal di situ. Oke?
yeah, and then we are going to repeat it and for all the sections from the top left to the bottom right.
Oke. Selanjutnya lakukan langkah yang sama dari bagian kiri atas ke kanan bawah ditarik di setiap garisnya.
Okay, so we are going to make the creases.
Okay, everybody okay until this step? Semuanya paham sampai langkah ini atau ada yang perlu ditanyakan?
Jelas semuanya ya. Apakah perlu digambar garisnya di punyanya ini Madura?
Is everybody okay or do you have any question for Madura? I think it's quite clear ya. Kayaknya cukup jelas Pak
Okay.
Usman.
Ya.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So is it
Oke.
okay?
I think everybody is
Hmm.
fine. Everybody is
Oh,
okay.
in any case, we are going to repeat it again. So if anyone has trouble, okay. Now you see this these horizontal creases, they are all mountain folds, right? These
Mhm.
creases, they are all mountain folds. Okay.
Oke. Seperti yang terlihat di garis ini semuanya lipatan gunung. Oke.
And the
Mountain
crease we
fold.
just scored, we
Hmm.
want them to be valley folds. Okay.
Dan garis yang tadi kita skor atau kita gariskan itu kita maunya menjadi lipatan lembah atau valley fold.
Okay. So what we are going to do now is we are just going to hold this section and then collapse along this line we just scored.
Oke. Setelah ini kita akan kolaps garis yang sudah kita buat. Lipatan gunung dan lipatan lembahnya dikolaps.
Like this. Okay, so it was like this, and then we collapsed along this line. Okay, and just make sure the points are neat. Then we are going to repeat for all the sections.
Okay.
So again, hold it and then collapse.
Pastikan lipatannya rapi dari ujung ke ujung garisnya yang sudah dibuat dan dilakukan berulang di garis yang sudah di scoring tadi.
So it'll look like this.
Dan sekarang bentuknya sudah seperti ini.
At this point, I'm going to use this paper clip and just secure it in place.
Sampai langkah ini, paperclip dipergunakan untuk mengamankan lipatan yang sudah kita buat sampai langkah ini.
So is this okay so far?
Sampai step ini semuanya aman? So everybody okay until this step? Any question for Madura? I think everybody is fine.
Very
Madura?
good. Very good. So we have just got to rotate the paper and repeat it on all the there are three remaining triangles. Okay. So
Okay.
we are going to focus on this triangle first. Divide it in half.
Mhm. Dan ini akan kita ulangi ketiga sisi berikutnya yang akan sekarang kita konsentrasi pada segitiga yang di bagian bawah, kita akan bagi lagi menjadi 8 bagian terlebih dahulu. Oke, Madura.
Then we are going to divide these in half and continue. Yes, and again in half. Then once we have the 8 sections, we are going to make those. We are going to fold the triangle up like this, and then we are going to make those slanted slant creases.
Setelah kita bagi semuanya menjadi 8 bagian, jangan lupa untuk lipat kembali segitiganya ke atas. Lalu kita akan mulai menggaris dari sisi kanan atas menuju sisi kiri atas ke sisi kanan bawah. garis dan scoring toolsnya dipergunakan.
So we have the 8 sections, and then we are going to uh, collapse it.
Setelah
We
kita
see.
punya garis-garisnya, kemudian kita akan collapse setiap lipatan
It, sh-
garisnya.
it should be valley folds like this.
Di garis scoringnya akan menjadi lipatan lembah. Madura, I love your paper colors. So beautiful.
Thank you. It's just plain gummy paper.
Yeah,
Bu,
but
Bu
it's good
Patricia,
color. Ya, apa, Pak Usman?
mungkin tanya dia kapan
Opo.
menemukan model ini dan ceritanya gimana itu.
Okay. So, Madura, when is you create this design?
I created this, I think, in last year, September 2024. Yeah, last year.
Wow, September 2024.
Mm.
Wow. And then, uh, how you create the process you making this design? It's because most of your design previously stars and cubes, right? And then
Yeah. No,
you
so
recently making also one sheet paper design.
yeah, I have a lot of one sheet paper designs. I have a lot of them, but this one has a very nice story. So
What?
I was teaching the concept of these spirals to
Uh-huh.
someone,
And
just
then
basic ones on squares and rectangles, and then
uh-huh.
after that I was playing with paper, and I
Mm-hmm.
had this thing. I thought, okay, let me try and see what happens if I apply the concept of spirals
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how this model came about.
Wow, that's nice.
So I was just like playing with spirals, and this happened. So,
Wow.
and it's a very nice model.
And then the name of mermaid steer?
Oh, I initially named it like, 4 leaves or something
Uh-huh.
like that.
Uh-huh.
But then I folded one of the models in white paper.
Uh-huh.
So, and it looked so beautiful. I thought, what should I name it? And then I thought, okay, I should name it Mermaid Tear. It's like so beautiful. So maybe that's what the tears of mermaids might look like. So that's how it came about.
A beautiful tear from the mermaid. Pak Usman ini apa namanya diciptakannya di September 2024. Lalu
Hmm.
ceritanya di balik desain ini, jadi waktu itu dia
Hmm.
sedang mengajarkan kepada orang lain tentang eh, apa namanya spiral lipatan spiral. Dia lagi ngajarin
Hmm.
aja lipatan spiral
Hmm.
ke orang lain,
Hmm.
lalu dia main-main aja dengan kertasnya. Lalu akhirnya ya ini kalau misalnya kertasnya diputar jadi begini tapi tetap spiral gitu bermain dengan kertasnya akhirnya tiba-tiba
Hmm.
tercipta desain ini. Tuh.
Hmm. Ya. Oke, oke. Oke, terima kasih.
Thank
Sama-sama.
you. I always like folding with my friends in Indonesia,
Hmm?
because you all are so experienced in origami. I never have trouble teaching you. Everyone knows what to fold. I don't have a lot of to. I mean, I don't need to explain a lot. Everyone is so good at folding.
Thank you, Madura.
So it's like my favorite group to fold with.
But because to be honest, yeah, many Indonesian people, the one who is origami enthusiast, love folding
Yeah.
your design also. Many people that I know, they love to fold your stars design or your cubes design.
I'm really happy to hear that. And one of my first diagrams, it
Hmm.
also came out from Indonesia in the convention book. So that was also very special for me.
Oh, you still remember your design that in Indonesian origami convention at that time?
Yeah.
What star? I a
Um,
little bit forgot.
I think it was Astra. I think Astra
Oh,
Senstar.
Astro Star. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, one of my first designs, one of the first few diagrams I made. So I was so happy when it came out.
And if I'm not mistaken, you're also making your own diagrams, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I make them.
Wow,
I
that's amazing.
had a hard time learning how to make them, but I did. Okay, so I'm now left with the last triangle. So let me just fold it. I hope everyone I mean, it's okay. You're not bored or anything.
So you're l- learn in philosophy, but you also still have a passion in arts.
No, you still have a sorry.
So your major in university, you
Was
took
philosophy. Yeah,
philosophy, but
yeah.
you still have a passion in arts and
Uh,
crafts like that. And how is the story?
no, I started like as I said, I folded origami when I was young,
Uh-huh.
and then sometime in 2019,
Mm.
I wanted to fold something, but I didn't have a book or something with me. Okay, so I looked up on Google and I found so many videos on YouTube. I was like thrilled.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought I want to do a 30-day, continuous folding of 30 models, 30 days.
Oh.
So I started that, and then I thought maybe I will make an account on Instagram. At that
Uh-huh.
point, I didn't know that there was such a huge origami community. So that
Mm.
really changed my, views. So there was so many origami enthusiasts folding
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
much. I was like introduced to the whole world of origami. So that's how it happened. And then COVID
Oh,
happened and all
wow.
that. So that's how it happened.
Wow. So it's actually just at the beginning, you're not planning it becoming so will be your yeah,
I just
it'll be a
wanted to
huge
find
career or
something.
you're gonna be famous from it.
So it was like an happy accident.
Teman-teman di AOI. Jadi Madura tadi bercerita dia itu kalau setiap diundang untuk kelas workshop di AOI itu selalu senang dan salah satu hal yang paling dia senang karena menurut dia mengajar bersama teman-teman di Indonesia tuh menurut dia menjadi menyenangkan banget karena dia nggak perlu menjelaskan banyak-banyak tapi semuanya sudah bisa melipat dengan benar, sudah bisa melipat dengan baik
Hmm,
gitu. Jadi dia senang
iya, iya,
sekali
iya.
kalau setiap diundang oleh uh, workshop origami. Lalu dia juga ingat salah satu diagramnya dia yang pertama kali di
Mhm.
di dipublikasikan itu masuk ke buku konvensi origami Indonesia. Jadi itu salah satu yang paling dia ingat.
Tahun ini ya?
Yang tahun enggak, yang online itu tahun berapa itu ya?
Oh, yang
2000.
online.
Ya,
Ya, ya,
itu
2000.
kan juga ada bukunya. Ya,
Hmm,
Yang
itu jadi
pandemi
salah
ya,
satu yang paling dia
pas
ingat
pandemi
juga.
ya.
Ya, pas pandemi.
ya, ya.
So everybody, okay, until this step semuanya sudah bisa mengikuti sampai langkah ini sudah dilipat dan dikolaps di keempat sisi.
Is it okay so far?
Bisa
So
ditunjukkan?
let me check first. Everybody, maybe you could show your works until now. Everybody fine? Yeah, I think everybody okay. Thank you. Semuanya aman ya.
Okay, so I go to the next step.
So, can we go to another step ya? Kita, okay. I think you may continue, Madura.
Yeah, so we turn the paper, and
Mhm.
then we collapse the model. It's something like, the windmill base or that. So we are going to collapse it like that. So we are just going to fold
Ini akan
these.
di-collapse-nya seperti windmill base.
So all the creases are there. Just reinforce them.
Dilipat dari sisi diagonal.
And just make sure these two lines, when you are folding these lines, they're as perfectly aligned as possible.
Oke,
That way.
pastikan ketika di-collapse sisi kanan dan atas itu segaris.
And so we take the clips out.
Kita buka paper clips-nya kalau kita mau collapsing.
And then we collapse it to the right or to the upside so that we have this leaf-like thing.
Lalu kita collapsing ke kiri, ke arah kiri.
Just make sure that these lines, they are aligned.
Pastikan garisnya segaris. Lurus segaris. It creating like a leaves ya.
Yeah, like a leaf. So the collapse is done.
The collapsing is done. Everybody okay with the collapsing step? Oh, this is so beautiful, Madura.
Thank you. So, do I proceed to the next step?
Okay, everybody okay until this step? Wait for a while, I think
Yeah.
some of them is still collapsing.
Yeah, sure.
Semuanya ada pertanyaan sampai di step ini atau ada yang perlu dijelaskan ulang?
Kak, ini yang kolapsnya tadi boleh diulang?
Okay, Madura, can you repeat the collapsing
Yeah.
step one
Yeah,
more
sure.
time?
Yeah, sure. Then we
Okay.
unfolding it. So
Okay.
the paper was like this. Then we turned it over,
Mhm.
and then we have these diagonal creases. We start pinching on all the sides.
Ya, di ujung-ujungnya itu dilipat dulu itu mengikuti
And,
garisnya,
and then we bring them to the center.
lalu dibawa ke tengah untuk collapsing di tengah.
And then we put this flap to the left or up or whatever so that we get this leaf shape.
Oke, lalu yang di bagian seperti sayapnya di sebelah kiri dijatuhkan ke arah sebelah kiri untuk dilipat, untuk dikolaps. Aman bisa?
Bisa.
Bisa, oke. Sip.
It's okay?
Yes.
Good,
Thank
good.
you.
Okay. So now, okay, do I move on?
I think wait, aman belum selesai ya? Masih mau di collapsing? Belum selesai kan? Dikit lagi ya? Maybe wait for a
Yeah,
minute.
absolutely, absolutely.
Oke, Pak Usman already.
Done.
Nah, Maria already, Olga already.
All
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Oh, great. Oke.
Okay. So we have one last step left.
Oke. Bye Lisa already also. Everybody okay until this step? Semuanya sudah sampai step ini? Bisa dilanjutkan dulu atau belum? Aman sudah bisa belum, sayang?
Sudah.
Sudah. Sip. Oke.
Okay. So we want to get rid of these white things. So to do
Mhm.
that, we turn the paper over and we bring this edge to this edge, making a crystal.
Iya,
Yeah,
kita
I'll just flip it. Yeah.
oke. Kita mau menghilangkan bagian warna putihnya, kertasnya dibalik, lalu kita membuat lipatan seperti yang ditunjukkan Madura dari garisnya itu.
So we take this edge and line it like this.
Ya, bawa sisi
Hmm.
bawah
So
ke
this point.
ya,
And
dilipat.
we turn over and repeat on all the sides.
Diputar dan dilakukan stepnya di 3 sisi lainnya.
Now you can keep the model like this, or if you want, you can fold the flaps behind as well. But I don't think we need to do that, so we can keep it like this.
Mhm, mhm.
Then the model will look like this.
Ya, lalu modelnya akan terbentuk seperti yang diperlihatkan Madura. So beautiful.
Thank you. I can't see Usman's model. It's done.
Yep.
I can see Alice's model. It looks so beautiful.
So
Thank you
thank
so much, Olga. It looks so nice. Thank you. I can see
Wow.
Laura's model.
Oh, I think everybody's finished.
I
Wow, beautiful.
can see Aman's model. So nice. I can see Garcia's model.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Joyce's model. Luciana. So nice. Thank you.
Madura, this is like you're combining a windmill base and
Yeah, and a
the
lens base and a windmill base with some
yeah,
spirals in
and
between.
spiral. Yeah. You mixing spiral and windmill base. Wow.
They all look so
Oke,
nice.
bisa foto bersama.
Okay, we will take a picture together first.
Yeah.
Beautiful model. Thank you, Madura.
Thank you so much, Linda. Looks so nice. I can see a beautiful red one. So nice.
Oke, siap semua? Everybody ready? Madura, can you show your
Yeah.
um,
Just a second, I'll just flip the camera. How do you do that? Yeah.
oke, siap ya. Bentar. Elisa bisa screenshot nggak, Elisa? Oh, pakai HP ya? Coba ya. 1, 2, 3. Tuh kan. Ini keyboardnya baru, jadi kacau nih.
Tahun baru, keyboard baru.
Ah,
Keyboard baru tapi masih bingung.
tapi bingung pakai. Jarang dipakai. Ini belum ada kerjaan di depan komputer. Oke, thank you so much.
Sudah selesai?
Udah pakai HP.
Oke, siap. Oke, silakan Bu Patricia bisa ini disampaikan terima kasih dan lain
Oke,
sebagainya.
oke. Madura,
Ada
thank you
ditutup
so
ya.
much. Thank you so
Thank
much
you